So this is how you can save email to your favorites on the iPad. Let's get started. And if you're new on Foxtecc, if it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, of course, I'm going to assume that you are using like the Apple Mail application. And if that is the case, then you're going to open up the mail like that, locate your inbox or whatever, right? And you'll be able to just go through the options and the emails that you have received, and you can do some different things with it. For example, you can click on the mail and hold down on it like that, click on mark, and you can flag it or put it into a different category, which just means that you put it into a different folder, right? So you can kind of like move it in between in here, so you can set up and move it wherever you want. Right? For instance, it would make sense when if you clicked on your inboxes right there, you would be able to create a new mailbox by clicking it like this. Then you'll be able to select the name for it. So you can literally just type in your favorites. And the next time you want to add your emails to the favorites, you can just swipe left on it, click on more, then tap on move, and you will then have the ability to just select the folder that you created, right? So you can put it to your favorites, which you just created, right? So it just makes sense. That way you will always have a good orientation, or you will be able to organize your mails very nicely that way. So that is how I would personally do it. Few more things though. You also have a VIP list, which you probably noticed, but this is for VIP contacts, right? So when you click on it, you can select some people from your contacts list, which are considered VIP by your definition, and emails from those people will be categorized in that email list, right? So that is something which you can do. And also you can also explore some third-party mail clients which might be available. Something which I use is the Gmail from Google, and there you have like different filterings where you can have you can click on the little star icon next to it, and that is how you kind of like mark it as important. So you know, different apps have different features as well. So let me know if you managed to do what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon in the upcoming tutorials like this one.